everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a minute since I've been on here. I actually filmed this video back in January, but today I'm going to be showing you how I co-wash my hair and then do a wash and go. So I typically co-wash my hair in the shower, but it's easier for me to show you how I co-wash my hair outside the shower for filming purposes. So I saturate my hair with water and then I apply the co-wash. So this co-wash isn't labeled color safe, however, I don't have any issues with the color stripping away. I don't have any issue with the co-wash stripping away the color from my hair. And it's a semi-permanent color, so I do expect anytime it comes in contact with water for some of the color to rinse off. That's what a semi-permanent dye does. It's not meant to stay in your hair forever. So after applying the co-wash, I just rinse out my hair with cool water. Now with this co-wash, I don't find it necessary for me to condition my hair afterwards, but if you like to condition your hair after co-washing, by all means. So after I'm done co-washing my hair, I'm going to do my wash and go process. So since my hair is so short, that's all I can pretty much do right now is a wash and go. So I started with the leave-in spray. I'm using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Anti-Breakage Spray. I like this product. I don't necessarily know if it really does help with anti-breakage, but I can say that it does help add moisture to my hair. And since it's the middle of the winter and my hair is bleached, I want to make sure my hair is as moisturized as possible, because bleaching your hair dries it out enough as it is, and then my hair gets very dry in the winter, so does my skin. So I like to make sure that I keep my hair nice and moisturized. So after adding my moisturizer, I go in with my cream, and that's going to help add some more moisture. So the cream I'm using is from TGIN. It's their Twist and Defying cream. I've never used any TGIN products in the past, but I saw this product at Target and it was on clearance, so I was like, I might try it. So I'm glad I did try it. The product smells very good, and it's also very moisturizing, and it defines my curls right away. So I don't even have to add gel if I don't want to. I can just add the product to my hair and then seal it in with oil. That's typically what I do, but there are some days where I want more hold, so then I'll go in with a gel on top of the cream. So the gel I'm using is from Styler, and it's their Black Castor Oil and Flaxseed Gel. So I was nervous about using this gel with the TGIN cream because Styler gel likes to flake, especially when mixed with certain products. But surprisingly, this product didn't flake and it didn't cause any white residue. So I now have a new product duo. In the past, I used to do my wash and goes with different products, but as I run out of products, I like to try new products. So that's pretty much what I'm doing today. So I started off with a different leave-in than I normally use, but I've had this leave-in for a while. I just don't use this. I actually forgot I had it and then I found it. So the leave-in I used was the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Anti-Breakage Spray, and then for my cream I used the TGIN Twist and Defying cream. After applying my cream to my hair, I then go in and seal with oil, and this is typically where I leave it at. So my hair is moisturized, but if I want my wash and go to have more hold and to have a little bit more definition, then I'll go in with gel. But typically I don't add gel to my hair. It's only for certain certain occasions, I guess, when I add gel for more hold. So the gel I'm using is the Styler Black Castor Oil and Flaxseed Gel. But here's how my hair looks before I add the gel. So you can see it's getting nice and defined. Now I will say part of that is because I did bleach my hair twice and toned it. So that caused my texture to, that caused my hair to get a little bit looser in texture. Like it's not as, it's not the same texture that it would be if I didn't bleach my hair. But I'm glad that I'm still able to keep my hair nice and moisturized despite it being bleached. So for wash day, I pretty much do the same thing. The only difference is instead of co-washing, I'll go ahead and shampoo my hair with the Color Save shampoo, and then I'll deep condition as well. It's very important that if you have bleached hair that you, or even just color treated hair, that you deep condition, because Color treated hair has already undergone some type of damage, and you really want to make sure you're deep conditioning to keep your hair as healthy as possible and as moisturized as possible. So the deep conditioners that I use have a balance of protein and moisture in them. Applying too much protein to your hair can be very damaging as well, and not having enough protein can also be a problem. So I like to use products to deep condition that have both protein and moisture in them. That way I'm not applying too much protein to my hair. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I shampoo my hair once. I shampoo and deep condition once a week, and then I'll co-wash twice a week. Most of the time I don't add gel to my hair, but on days where I feel like wearing my hair out, I'll add gel. So this takes about, for me, co-washing my hair all the way down to the wash and go, that takes about 15 minutes at the most, and then I'll let my hair air dry. Typically, if I'm in a rush and I need to leave the house and I don't want to leave the house with wet hair, then I'll sit on my hooded dryer for about medium heat, and then that takes about maybe another 15 minutes, and that's all. That's pretty much it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.